I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're struggling to log into WhatsApp, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Step 2. Verify your phone number. Ensure that you are entering the correct phone number, including the country code. A small mistake can lead to login failure. Step 3. Request a verification code. If your number is correct, tap on Send Code to receive a verification code via SMS. Wait for a few minutes. If you don't, you receive it immediately. Step 4. Enter the verification code. Once you receive the code, input it into the app. Make sure to enter it exactly as it appears, as any typo will result in failure. Step 5. Update WhatsApp. If you are still having trouble, check if there is an update available for WhatsApp in your app store. An outdated version can cause login issues. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues with WhatsApp. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need more help.